Unrestricted 49.3-acre tract in the beautiful Cartecay area of Gilmer County has frontage on Garland Lake, 2 small creeks, and multiple options for building sites. Old-growth trees, native mountain laurel, and wildlife abound. With year-round mountain views of rich mountain wilderness possible, you can enjoy camping or fishing from your own property in one of the most beautiful parts of North GA while adventuring to the nearby Cartecay River, Aska area, the Appalachian Trail and Benton Mackaye Trail, downtown Ellijay, and more.